Want to take your home security system to the next level? Well, let's try this. Hey everybody, welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Anley, and today we're going to be reviewing the Amcrest 4K Ultra HD outdoor security camera. As you know, in each episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it.
All right, so let's take a look at what's in the Amcrest. Little unboxing here for the 4K Ultra HD 8 megapixel deterrent POE outdoor security turret IP camera. This thing looks like it's pretty awesome. The box is nice, great quality. It's got a lot of the features listed on the back. Very nice, but let's open it. First thing you see on top is the starter guide. So the information there. Looks like you got the ring so that you can drill it in. A little guide right here. Very nice. Comes with a tool. Everybody appreciates getting some of the tools that come with the devices. Looks like all of your mounting screws and your little cover is included as well. And the most important thing right here, the security camera itself. Very nice. Looks like you got your audio video cables right here. Your power plug stuff. Looks pretty easy. Out of the bag. Wow, look at this. This thing looks amazing. So it would mount like this, and then this feature would move up and turn around, and you'd be able to control it. Very cool. High quality all around. This thing feels sturdy.
This camera has AI features with a 4K AI deterrent turret POE. Camera features human and vehicle filtering. IVS features include tripwire intrusion and perimeter prep. Features a white light LED and a built-in 120 decibel siren, which is customizable for active deterrent. Offers 4K at 30 frames per second video with a super wide 128 degree viewing angle and an f1 aperture for superior low light capability. A POE injector or switch is required, which is not included. This AI POE camera is equipped with active deterrents, including a 110 decibel siren alarm and an illuminating built-in spotlight that can be triggered manually or by motion detection to scare away would-be criminals. This 4K POE IP camera features a heavy-duty metal weatherproof IP67 housing and a CMOS 8 megapixel progressive image sensor to achieve unsurpassed low light capability and night vision up to 98.4 feet. Dual file compression. Smarter security also. Receive motion alert notifications and review footage via your smartphone with the Amcrest View app. Playback and record professionally on a PC using the Amcrest Surveillance Pro or Blue Iris Professional. Works with Amcrest Cloud Remote Video Storage, micro SD card up to 256 GB, Amcrest NVRs, and FTP, and many different browsers including Chrome with Amcrest Web View extension. Color event features IR light and warm light, auto shift for night color and night vision up to 98.4 feet. An enhanced f1 low light image sensor and a chipset that allows for night vision and color. Active deterrents, siren, red and blue strobe light, wide dynamic range up to 128 decibels, two-way talk with the built-in dual mic array and speaker. Also, it has a secure cloud video back. The optional Amcrest Cloud Remote Video Storage subscription service. Store your videos offsite in a third-party location hosted and secured by AWS. This way, if something happens to your local PC, NVR, micro SD, NAS, the footage will be safely recorded in a secure offsite location and accessible to you through a web-based flash interface for PC, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, and Amcrest Cloud smartphone app. We're going to use the Amcrest 100-foot Ethernet cable and pair it with the 6-port POE switch. The POE supports IEEE 802.3AT, delivers up to 65 watts of POE power with 100 megabytes uplink. Thanks Amcrest, I feel so much safer now. We'd like to give a huge shout out to Amcrest for sponsoring this video. All of their links will be down below in the description. Thanks for watching. I'm today's host, Anley. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!